Hey besties, welcome back. We all know that ombres and baby boomers are all the rage right now. And with dip powder, it is possible to achieve the perfect fade, but it's not exactly the easiest, until now. Today we want to show you how to create the easiest dip ombre technique that one of our educators, Kim, created. So let's get this look started. First, I like to use the bond, and we apply this on the natural nail, and this will help just dehydrate the nail and prepare for the base. With the base, we just like to put a line on the edge of the nail, and this is going to start building our apex. We need a good foundation. I'm applying the base to 3/4 of the nail. I'm also avoiding the sidewalls just because I don't want it to bulk up on the edges. Now I'm going to grab one of my colors from the nude collection. I apply the base a hairline away from the cuticle and go ahead and dip in at a 45-degree angle. And as you see right here, I'm bringing the jar up to my model and not letting her guide herself in there. We don't want to let them accidentally smudge the product. So I like to stay in control of the jar. After you dip, make sure you dust off the excess powder. You don't want that getting into your base. This time we're going to apply the base to the complete nail bed. And remember guys, we like to dip at a 45-degree angle to get the full coverage. Now I'm going to grab my recycling system. Our recycling system is super neat because you don't want to dip in your already colored nails into your clear. It'll contaminate it and you can get extra pigments you don't want in there. Let's keep our clear powder crystal clear. The system works so easily. All you do is pour your clear powder and then let's apply the base on the nail and just pour over our clear powder to cover it completely to protect that nail from any file and buffing. Using our Seal Protect, this is gonna help harden our nail. Without this step, our nail will never dry. So make sure you saturate that nail. Once our nail is dried, we're gonna go ahead and file and shape. We're gonna use gel with this method, so we don't want to buff it. We wanna keep a nice rough surface. Remember guys, rough it, don't buff it. Once we have the nail exactly how we want it, this is gonna get a little weird. We're gonna use base coat. We're gonna apply a thin layer of base to the complete nail. And we're going to flash cure for no more than 10 seconds. We don't want it to cure completely. We're gonna immediately dip it into our clear. Don't worry guys, you're not gonna contaminate any powder here because everything has sealed in. Now this is where the magic happens. We're gonna dip it into Heartfelt. With Kim's technique, I'm gonna dip in little by little, working my way up. As you notice, it's giving that perfect ombre look easily. Oh, this color is so beautiful. If you feel like your second color is not dark enough at the tip, do some more dips to darken that shade. Now how easy was that? Dust, dust, dust. Now I'm gonna seal that in with my non-wipe top coat. Oh my God, watch this nail come to life. Notice how I'm applying the top coat? You'll want to use short little strokes going across the nail so we make this fade seamless. All right guys, so right here we wanna cure it for 60 seconds. Now let's nourish our cuticles with Nourish Oil. This is my favorite part. This is gonna give you bomb photos. Look at that. If you try this look out, please let us know. Tag us, we'd love to see it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we have new videos. And comment below. See you next time. Bye besties.